Hi! So today, gagawa tayo ng pancetta. What is it? So para siyang bacon. Isipin mo, bacon siya, pero Italian style. So, for the ingredients, we have here the pork belly. I have here 3 kilos of pork belly. So kanina may mga bones pa yan. Tinanggal na natin. And nilinis yung skin. We made sure na wala yung mga skin. And for 3 kilos of pork belly, we need 120 grams of salt. So meron ako dito rock salt. Actually, yung proportion niya, in every kilo of pork belly, 40 grams of salt. So, ito. So, 40 grams times 3, 120 grams. And for it, I would need 6 pieces of laurel leaves. Ayan. Kasi 1 kilo is 2 leaves. So, for 3 kilos, I need 6 leaves. And for it, we also need black pepper. So, paano tayo mag-start? So, I have here the pork belly, skin side down. And imimix lang natin itong 1 teaspoon of pepper sa 120 grams of salt. So, gawa muna tayo. Tansyahin ko lang yung 1 teaspoon. Wow, it's a struggle, ha? Struggle is real. Ilapit mo yung ginagawa ko. Ilapit mo. I think that's for about there. I think that's pinagpawisan ako. 1 teaspoon of pepper. Dahil lumawa ako sa buhok ko, hugas kamay muna.
So professional, like.
Okay. So, there. Mix-mix lang natin tong salt and pepper. Yan, with my magic hands, i-mix lang natin salt and pepper. Okay. And, ngayon, ready na yung ating salt and pepper mixture. We can spread it on our pork belly. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Our special guest, Namshi, come here. Sige na, pakita na kayo. Mag-hi lang kayo. Nandito na kayo. Okay, guys, pati yung sides. Inay, pwede ba? Naririnig kayo. Ayun, magpakita, tapos magko-comment naman kayo dito. Oh! Yan. Ganyan siya lagi. Ayaw niya makita, pero magko-comment siya. Yan. We just make sure na i-cover natin yung buong surface ng belly, pati yung sides ng salt, pepper mixture. Huwag mahiyang magtanong. Sides. Sides. Ang cellphone. Ayan. Okay na ako. Ayoko nang ipagkalagay-lagay lahat yan. ako ng 6 piraso ng dahon. What's that? Asan yung mat? Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Pare-pares lang yan. One, two, three, four. So, after natin siya mag-cover ng salt, pepper, lagay natin ang laurel leaves, tapos i-fold natin siya in half. Here, yung pork. Very careful. Hindi muna natin siya itatali. So, for a week, iwan natin siya ng ganyan sa ref. So, paano natin siya iwan sa ref? Okay, may commentator ako dito, hindi niya ata alam na narinig siya. So, paano natin siya ikikip? Right. So, isa ako muna. For 7 days, ikikip natin to sa ref. Pero, the way we're gonna keep it is this. So, meron ako ditong isang container. Dito ko siya ilalagay, yung pork. Kasi, for 7 days, kailangan nating i-draw out yung water from this belly. So, paano natin siya gagawin? So, first, every day, we have to turn it. So, let's say, for the first day, ngayon, bukas, babalikan natin to sa ref, tapos mapapansin natin, kaya siya nakaslant dahil yung mga moisture, yung tubig nito, bababa siya sa pork. So, itatapon natin yon. So, after first day, itatapon natin yung na-draw out na water, and then the next day, i-flip natin, para yung kabilang side naman. Right? Every day, we'll do that. Itatapon natin yung water, i-flip natin, tapos upside down naman. After 7 days, babalikan natin siya. Ipapakita ko sa inyo what we're gonna do next after 7 days. Okay. So, for now, ito muna yung first part of the pancetta. Okay? Let them see it. This is it. Right. This is our pork belly resting. Hindi ko pa siya nalalagay sa ref, pero as you see, it's starting to draw out na yung mga tubig. So, nagsa-start na siyang bumaba from the pork belly. So, tomorrow we'll see more of those liquid coming out. Yep. Hi, now on its second day, this pork has been resting in the refrigerator for around 24 hours. It's time to turn them. Let me show you how it looks like right now. There. So, as you can see, nag-start na mag-draw out yung liquid. Ito siya. So, what we're gonna do now is to throw this liquid and then flip it. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave it here, the liquid, and transfer it here. Okay. So you can see, kahapon ito yung nasa ilalim na side. Ngayon, finlip ko to this side, ito yung nasa ilalim. So that way, parang evenly madidistribute yung water. Kasi if hayaan lang natin for 7 days na this side, ang mangyayari, mas dry yung other side. Hindi magiging even yung pork belly. So ngayon, I'm gonna put this back in the ref, but I'm gonna wash this and use this as the cover naman. So, yep. Let's continue this until 7 days. Right. That's it.
Ayan, after 7 days, kailangan natin ng half a bottle of beer and then iwa-wash off natin yung salt na ginamit natin dun sa belly. Ang Ang nakikita mo ngayon, actually, na-wash off ko na siya. There, kaya wala na yung buo-buo. And we're preparing it for our next step. And then sa isang bowl, ipagsama-sama natin itong garlic, chili powder, brown sugar, and then pera-perasuhin natin itong dahon ng laurel. I-mix-mix lang natin to and then pwede na siyang ipahid sa pork belly. Make sure natin all sides meron siyang mixture. Except dun sa skin, hindi na kailangan. After natin malagay yung mixture, pwede na natin siyang i-roll at itali. At eto na siya! Ready na para i-cure sa ref. So nice. Oh, may pa-slow mo pa yan. At yan, ready na siya para i-cure natin sa ref. Yan, kanya-kanyang diskarte na lang ha. And ikikip natin yan sa ref this way for, let's say, 8 weeks and then i-revisit natin if okay na. At ayan na siya. Tingnan mo naman. Ang sarap-sarap. Actually, hindi ko siya binuksan until 10 weeks. Talagang minake sure ko na dry siya. Oh ha? So sa inyo, itansya nyo na lang din if it's dry enough na ba or hindi pa siya ready. But this one, it looks so good. And maybe next time, I prefer it simpler. Just salt and pepper and a bit of sugar. So try nyo din. I hope you enjoy. Yum. Look at that. Yum.